Hey guys, here's a quick video for those of you that are interested in how to set up your Futaba T7C transmitter for dual servos on the elevators. So let's go ahead and get it started. So to set up your receiver, what you want to do is connect one of your elevator servos to channel 2, which is typically your elevator channel, and then you want to connect the other elevator servo to an auxiliary channel, which in my case I'm using channel 5. Now if you turn the radio on and just hit the elevator stick, you can see that one elevator is going to work just fine and the other one is not moving. Instead it's connected to your gear switch. So in order to fix this, we're going to use a function on a transmitter called Ailvator. What the Ailvator does, it links your ailerons and your elevators together, which I think is mostly used for flying wings and stuff. So let's go ahead and then, so we got the transmitter on. As you can see, we're going to go ahead and press the mode button and hold it. I don't know if this screen's clear or not, but okay, let's go with that. So we hit the mode button once, and this is the screen that we get. Now we're going to hit it again, and we're going to go to a page where all the mixing stuff is. Now we're going to turn this dial here until we find the Ailvator function. There we go. Now we're going to press it to access the function. Now the first thing, of course, we want to do is turn it on. And there we go. Now if you see what happens to the elevators, now they both work together. But now take a look at the ailerons. When I turn the aileron, when I move the ailerons, the elevators are working too, which of course we don't want that. So what we'll have to do, let's get back to the screen here. Okay, see over here it says aileron 3 and 4. We're going to press this down button to access the aileron 3, and we're going to reduce the percentage down to 0. And we're going to press down button one more time to number 4, and we're going to turn that down to 0. Now let's take a look and see what happens. Okay, now both of your elevators are still working together. Ailerons are still working. Since we set the travel of the ailerons down to 0, when you move the elevators, the ailerons are still. And when you move the ailerons, the elevators don't move. Now from here you can go and set the sub trim for each channel. You can go ahead and exit out of all that. You can set your sub trim. Your endpoint, travel adjust, whatever you want to do. And your trim switch right here, this one is going to move both of those at the same time, yet you can go into your program and set the sub trim individually for channel 2 and channel 5. So that's it. I hope it'll work for you, and good luck.